My market structure videos have been right for the last 3 weeks. So if you guys are not watching these market analysis and market structure videos, I am telling you with 100% certainty, if you are not doing this on your own, you are missing out on valuable education and knowledge that you could be using when you're day trading. I'm not even going to elaborate or keep going. Let's just hop over to the charts and look at everything since October 29th through current because everything I've called out on market structure has happened. Okay, guys, I'm not going to go through this as thorough as I normally do because I don't want to just repeat myself over and over again. But I do want to tell you, we went over this. This is our starting point down here at the bottom. We then go to a higher high, a higher low. Why is it called that? Because it's above our starting point. It's a higher low, higher high, higher low. And then we have our third leg right here, which is bigger than all of this combined. We will get our ruler tool like we always do. We'll go from the bottom to this right here. That's 1,181 points. We then get our ruler here and we go up to the top. It's 1,576 points. It's this one leg alone market movement is bigger than all of this combined. This started back in October, at the beginning of October. So that was when I first started talking about this. Then I said, right here that the market pattern that I study is predictable. So you get to the top that we just looked at, you have a new starting point. Lower low. Actually, we can take the more aggressive one. We'll go lower low and then a lower high or lower high, whatever. They're both basically the same. Lower high. They're right next to each other. Then you have a lower low, a lower high, and then you have a lower low. This move is equivalent to all of this together, okay? Then we get a weird market reset and it chops. Then we go right into this one. Starting point, lower low, lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and then we have a lower low. Then you get this weird thing and you get a market reset, which is what we were just on. Starting point, higher high, higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. Again, this leg equivalent to all of this if you use the ruler tool. And you have your like awkward bullish consolidation almost where it kind of comes up and then it starts to peak. Then right here, this is where we're currently at. We have either one of these. We'll take this one. Our starting point, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. We should be on our third leg continuation, just like all the rest of these have done. If this market structure and pattern, which I've said for weeks is predictable, repeats itself because it's predictable, we should be in for before Christmas this big leg to keep going. It's only the 16th of December right now, so this will be done before that. This most likely, I'm imagining, will be this week. We should have a rough end of the week and everything should be bearish if the market structure continues because, like I said, this pattern has repeated itself 1, 2, 3. We're now in 4. It repeated itself here. I don't know why I removed the drawing. Take this one, starting point, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And you can go higher high, you can go higher high, you can go however you want. This leg right here is gigantic. So again, this structure starts repeating itself. And then you get another one. You get a weird reset right here. There it goes. And then you get another reset. There it goes. And then you get this right here. We are in this leg. It's going to continue.